Fluent in 2 languages by 5th grade. That's not just a goal at Arco Charter School, it's our promise. Our certified Spanish-speaking teachers create true bilingual learners through our award-winning Immersion model. Starting with 80% Spanish instruction in kindergarten, students develop literacy skills that last a lifetime. As one of Oregon's top-rated charter schools, we combine language immersion with Singapore math in a rigorous curriculum that exceeds state standards. Our students don't just learn Spanish, they learn everything in Spanish, building powerful cognitive advantages that last a lifetime. Located just off Highway 217, our modern facility welcomes families from across the Portland metro area. With before and after school care, we accommodate working parents while maintaining our child-centered approach. Every day includes 30 minutes of PE classes, outdoor play, and arts integration because we believe in developing the whole child. And the best part is, this multicultural education is completely tuition-free. Visit arcoirisschool.org today to secure your child's spot.